Guys, I'm giving the brain root in this no. Hamugubo. Magabo. Guys, in last video, I'm deleting my video because nothing. But this, don't tell me how because I'm get this from cheat, not cheat, giving me brain from other player. Yeah. And my dumbbells is star. And my money is 6.8 quadrillion. And my speed 71.45 billion. Okay, power max. And this 55. I'm just a strong. And this perfect. In this video, I'm not perfect to kick. Please, please, please. What will I got? Guys, if you want a brain rot, comment your username and I will add and I'll give you a brain rot. A brain rot, guys. Like this brain rot, I will give. Comment in chat. Comment your username 5 times. 5 only. And if you have a gift, enjoy the brain rot. Enjoy the brain rot. Guys, sorry, I'm not speaking because I'm busy to kick a block. Wait guys, I will come back here if I have many brain rot. You know guys, I'm getting the brain rot too. Okay, Hamugabi, enjoy the brain rot. Enjoy the brain rot, guys. Where is he? This is Belilon. Enjoy this brain rot, bro. Enjoy. Enjoy, bro. Enjoy. Good deal, bro. It's okay, you don't have offer. And the last guy. I think he will. Okay, now Hamugabi. Gabu. 29. Enjoy the brain rot. I'm giving that. Good deal. You don't have an offer. Okay now guys. Guys, I will end this video. Subscribe and like. Don't forget that and click the bell and click the bell and you're updated our video. Bye bye.